Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make your fans quieter, and this can be a result of the changes in these power settings as a result of Windows updates or changes that you made by yourself. So to do this, just follow along as we are going to I'm going to show you how to change these settings. So right click on the Windows icon and go to power options. In the power options you need to navigate to the additional power settings. As you can see, I'm currently running on the balanced, or you can be on the power saver. It doesn't matter which settings you're currently on. Go to change plan settings, and then under change plan setting, go to change it advanced power settings. As you can see, it shows this dialog. You need to scroll down to the processor power management and then to system calling policy. As you can see, currently I'm running under active policy, and as you can see that increases the fan speed before slowing down the processor. This as a result makes the fan run faster and produce that noise that you are currently experiencing. So what you need to do is turn the settings from active to passive, and then you need to change also the maximum processor rate state. Currently it is on 100%, but you can change this to a value between 90% to 100%. I'm just gonna put it at 95%, and then I'm going to click apply. Okay, so the settings you can sort of mess around with them, but you can just be any value between 95 to 100% and see what works for you, and they're going to click OK. So by now you would see that the fan speed is going to decrease a little, and the sound is also going to be a bit much quite quieter as before. So if this helped, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.